Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you another way to update product images in Amazon Seller Central. Whether you're looking to refresh your product visuals or need to correct an image, first, log in to your Amazon Seller Central account using your username and password. Once you're logged in, go to the left-hand menu and click on Catalog from the drop-down. Select Upload Images. This will take you to the Image Manager page, where you'll find several important options to manage your product images. Image Manager, Bulk Image Upload, Submission Status. To ensure your images have been successfully uploaded, you can check the submission status to monitor for any issues. The Video and 3D Video Status section allows you to keep track of your video content. For those new to image uploads, the Image Educational Hub provides guidelines to help minimize errors. Lastly, if you're working with 3D product visuals, the 3D Asset Preview feature lets you drag and drop your GLB file to see a preview of your 3D product video. Let's focus on the Image Manager. You can use bulk upload options if you want to upload in bulk. Here you can select your listing by SKU or ASIN by clicking on Live Images. This is where you can remove previous images and upload new ones. Click on Live Images to see the live pictures on the product page. Now, let me upload the new images saved on my system. While I do that, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Keep in mind it may take up to 48 hours for your new images to appear on your live listings. Finally, your images are uploaded. From the Image Manager, you can also update the main image of your product. Additionally, you have the option to upload a product video and a 3D video specifically for this ASIN. Once your images will be updated on product page, you can in Live Images. You can check the status of your uploads in the Submission Status section to see if any action is needed or if there are any errors with the images. And that's it. You've successfully updated your product images on Amazon Seller Central. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.